We have here a package, a parcel that came all the way from Bangkok, Thailand, and we're going to unbox this. I have the papers here in the packet, but I'll be reserving another story in this YouTube channel, the real story of this packet or package. So we're going to open this. It came from FedEx and it is from a Selvedge Denim company from Bangkok, Thailand. And this is my first time to order a Selvedge Denim items from them. So we're going to open this. It looks like this was inspected by the Philippine Customs, Bureau of Customs. So I will not go to the story of this, the exchange of conversation with the people from FedEx. Let's just open this package and we'll reserve another video for my explanation of what transpired in this package. I have two pieces of Western shirts made from Nama Denim. So we'll open this first. Nice. This is their famous Western shirt with double yoke on the pocket flaps. This is I think 10 ounces in weight. Selvedge denim. You can see the Selvedge accent there. It is soft. It is colored black, but I know in due time this will fade, and it has some yoke on the shoulder. Can you see that? Yeah, very nice design. The reason why I bought this Western shirt is I was not able to make an order from Brave Star of their famous Western shirt with these two yokes. And you have your pearl buttons. You have also the back portion, simple yoke design. Can you see? Yeah, yoke design. Okay, and this is actually size small because I'm size small in the Levi's. So what I like about this shirt is the pearl snap button. So going to open this. You have the Selvedge accent on the bottom portion. You have another Selvedge accent on the and the V shape at the end. And then Selvedge accent on the cuff, sleeves. Very nice. Nice pockets. This is actually $119 the price. We'll go down to the second shirt that I ordered. This is another Western shirt, but they call it the juke. The juke. It was patterned after the Western shirt that was used by John Wayne in his movies during the 1950s. So basically, this is a pattern after the Western shirts in the 1950s. The same with the other Western shirt that I have featured. So you have arcquake on the pockets. Both pockets, you have those arcquake. As usual, you have the yoke on those yoke on the shoulder. And then you will see where the selvage is. You have the selvage on the near the button flap. All throughout there, and then selvage on the bottom portion, where you have the V-nuts on the hem of the shirt. Then what is good about this is very unique. You have six buttons. 6 buttons on the cuff. You have the selvage here, and then selvage at the cuff. What is good about this is very unique is the arcquake at the back. See? Nice touch. You have the arcquake double stitch. Very nicely done. Nice. Actually, this is sold out already, but I was able to talk to the owner, Vish, and he told me that he can make this type of Western shirt, but with a different fabric. And he used a vintage indigo denim from Okayama, Japan, which is lighter than the original 14 ounces. So actually this is 12.5 ounces with the same price of $165. So yeah, I'm going to use this for the next edition of the Redline Rally Year 2 denim fade competition for the shirts. So I'll be using this, and we will see what will happen to the fading of these two shirts. So nice shirt. Very nice Western shirt, very soft denim. This is 10 ounces, and it's colored black, but I know it will fade to a lighter color. And very nice touch on the pearl buttons. I really like the fit, which is small, and nice curvature on my body, and very nice. I like it. Thanks, fish. Nice. This is the Juke Western shirt from Nama. It is size small, and the fit is very nice. I like the arc weight there on the pocket. Another arc weight. The black pearl snap buttons, and of course the arc weight at the back and the yoke. Very nice. What I'm impressed here is the buttons and the cuff. Six of them. Nice. The fabric is indigo as compared to the other one, which is darker, black Selvedge Denim. This one is an indigo, which has a weight of 12.5 ounces. It was a choice that I made because the original Juke fabric, which is 14 ounces, is not available. So Vish from Nama Denim asked me if I would like to have the 12.5 vintage denim from their stock. So I said yes. So this is the result of the Juke Western shirt in 12.5 ounces. It's nice. The The texture, the thickness of the denim is thicker than the first one, but I like the softness of this denim fabric. So it will be a very hard decision for me on which western shirt to use for my Redline Rally Year 2 competition. Whether it will be the 12.5 or the 10 ounces denim. Very nice. Wow. Nice fit. This is a small size. Thank you again, Viz, for this nice shirt. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and if you have any comments, please write down your comments below, and don't forget to check that like and that bell notification. Thank you very much for watching this YouTube channel. Bye.